Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting challenge: building a $1,000 business using only free Google tools within just 24 hours. You might be wondering, why focus on free resources? Well, leveraging tools that don't cost a dime can significantly boost your financial gain, especially if you're just starting out or looking to minimize expenses. Throughout this video, we'll explore practical insights and strategies that you can apply immediately. From Google Docs for planning your business model to Google My Business for establishing your online presence, we'll cover everything you need to know to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a complete beginner, this challenge is designed to inspire you and show you that with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve your financial goals quickly. So, grab a notebook and let's get started on this exciting journey to building your business. Choosing the right Google tools. When it comes to building your business using free resources, selecting the right Google tools is crucial. First up is Google Docs, a fantastic platform for drafting your business plan, creating marketing materials, and collaborating with team members. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to share and edit documents in real time, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Next, we have Google Sheets, which is perfect for managing finances, tracking expenses, and analyzing data. With its powerful functions and templates, you can easily create budgets and forecasts, helping you make informed decisions as your business grows. Lastly, Google My Business is essential for establishing your online presence. This tool allows you to create a business profile that appears in local search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. The best part? All these tools are completely free and accessible from anywhere, making them ideal for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to launch their ventures without breaking the bank. Let's dive deeper into how to effectively use these tools. Market research and idea validation. In the fast-paced world of entrepreneurship, conducting market research is essential for identifying a viable business idea, especially within a tight 24-hour time frame. One of the best tools at your disposal is Google Trends. This platform allows you to explore trending topics and search queries, helping you pinpoint what potential customers are interested in right now. Once you have a few ideas in mind, it's time to validate them using Google Forms. Create a simple survey to gather feedback from your target audience. Ask questions about their preferences, pain points, and willingness to pay for your proposed solution. This real-time feedback is invaluable, as it helps you refine your idea based on actual consumer insights. Encouraging creativity is key during this process. Don't hesitate to think outside the box and leverage the data you gather to make informed decisions. By combining market research with idea validation, you'll be well on your way to launching a business that meets real needs and has the potential for success. Setting up the business. Now that you have a validated business idea, it's time to establish your venture using Google tools. The first step is creating a business website with Google Sites. This user-friendly platform allows you to design a professional-looking site without any coding skills. Simply choose a template, customize it with your branding, and add essential information about your products or services. Next, setting up social media accounts is crucial for visibility. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can help you connect with your audience and promote your offerings. Make sure to link these accounts to your website for seamless navigation. Additionally, don't forget to set up Google My Business. This tool enhances your online presence by allowing your business to appear in local search results and Google Maps, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Branding is vital in attracting customers, so ensure your logo, color scheme, and messaging are consistent across all platforms. A strong online presence not only builds credibility, but also drives traffic to your business, setting you up for success. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. In addition, there is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Now let's continue marketing strategies. Once your business is set up, it's time to promote it using effective marketing strategies with free Google tools. One powerful option is Google Ads, which allows you to create targeted advertising campaigns that reach your ideal audience. By setting specific demographics and interests, you can ensure your ads are seen by those most likely to convert. Additionally, leveraging YouTube for video marketing can significantly boost your visibility. Create engaging video content that showcases your products or services, and share it on your channel to attract potential customers. To enhance your marketing efforts, use Google Slides to create visually appealing presentations and promotional materials. Combine this with Google Photos to capture high-quality images of your offerings, making your content more engaging and shareable. Don't forget the importance of SEO techniques to enhance your online visibility. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them into your website and content. This will help improve your search engine rankings, making it easier for customers to find you. By utilizing these strategies, you can effectively promote your business without spending a fortune, tracking progress and adjustments. As your business begins to grow, monitoring its performance is crucial for long-term success. One of the best tools for this is Google Analytics, which allows you to track website traffic and user behavior. By analyzing metrics such as page views, bounce rates, and user demographics, you can gain valuable insights into how visitors interact with your site. Understanding this data is essential for adapting your strategies based on real-time feedback. If you notice that certain pages are underperforming or that users are dropping off at specific points, it's time to make adjustments. This could mean optimizing your content, improving navigation, or even tweaking your marketing strategies. Encouraging flexibility is key in today's fast-paced market. Stay responsive to changes in consumer behavior and industry trends. Regularly review your analytics and be willing to pivot your approach as needed. By staying agile and data-driven, you can ensure your business remains competitive and continues to meet the needs of your audience effectively. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 120 to choose from.